Good morning. Starting my day off like usual with some black coffee with a few fasting drops in there. It's a little past 10 o'clock and I went ahead and mixed up my athletic greens for the day. I'm going to sip on this and then eat breakfast or my first meal of the day when I get hungry, which is usually, within an hour after I drink my athletic greens. It's 11:30 now and I'm having my first meal of the day. Decided to keep it simple with just some fried eggs and bacon and a little bit of avocado. Having an afternoon cup of coffee, this time with some cream. I'm representing with my Proper Human Diet t-shirt. Big shout out to Nisha and new baby Bonnie Blue. So fun seeing all those pictures and video on Instagram of that sweet baby. Oh my goodness. I love babies so much. I'm just about to mix up my electrolyte drink for the day. And this is my 40-ounce cup. I usually do 2 scoops, 1 scoop of Perfect Keto and 1 scoop of Redmond Relight. Today I'm doing the lemon lime of the daily electrolytes and the strawberry lemonade of the Relight. And since I've been putting more electrolytes in my coffee these days, I find that I usually only fill up my big cup once a day. So I'm getting about 2 servings this way and then a few more in my coffee throughout the day. I'm getting hungry for my second meal of the day and I'm gonna do an oldie but a goodie. I have not made chicken meat bars in a while. And the main reason for that is the price of this ground chicken, that's my favorite for the chicken meat bars, has gone up so much recently. I used to be able to get it for like $4.99 a pound regular price and then $3.99 on sale. And now it's like $7.99 or $8.99 a pound on regular price. And I just haven't been able to bring myself to pay that for a pound of ground chicken. But I found 1 more pack that was hiding in the freezer. So I am going to cook this up as chicken meat bars with some Redmond seasoned salt. I just cut them into 6 bars like that. Pop them in the air fryer basket. And usually I cook these from like a defrosted state, but they are still a little bit frozen. I pulled them out a while ago, but they didn't defrost all the way, but they will be fine. I'll just cook them an extra like minute or 2. Just gotta season the other side. So I usually cook them for 7 minutes. At least I think so. It's been so long since I've made them. So I will probably cook these for 9 minutes to make sure they're all the way done. Oh, it's already on 9 minutes. For dipping for my chicken bars, I'm going to have some of this Chosen Food ranch. It's okay. It's not as ranch-like as I would prefer. It's more of a vinaigrette type flavor, which is also fine, but when you get ranch, you kind of just want ranch. So it's only just okay. I'm also having a side of olives. And that is my dinner. I am having my current favorite summer drink for an evening snack. It was nearly 100 degrees today, so good day for this refreshing drink in the evening. I do 1 can of the lemon lime Waterloo, and I put in a little bit in the bottom, and then I whiz in with my frother 1 scoop of the vanilla Vital Proteins collagen. I got this when I was trying out some coffee creamers. I didn't really like it in my coffee and I'm trying to use it up, and I found it's great in this drink. So 1 scoop of that and then 1 scoop of the strawberry MCT oil powder, my absolute favorite. And then I add in my ice after I get that all whizzed up, and then I add in the rest of the lemon lime seltzer. And I have to be careful because it likes to try to overflow. It's kind of like a root beer float type effect, but it tastes more like an Italian soda. It's so, so good. Here's how my calories and macros ended up. I had 1,793 calories, 131 grams of protein, and that was 33.8% of my calories, 104.1 grams of fat, that was 60.4% of my calories, and a total of 22.7 carbs, which came to 5.8% of my calories.